हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हैं आप सब? वेलकम टू संज्ञान ब्लॉग्स। सो आज के व्लॉग में मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ माय टॉप परचेसेस व्हिच आई डिड फ्रॉम मिंत्रा एंड ऑल्सो सो बेसिकली दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ मिक्स्ड haul, I must say, which is going to be from different brands. So I bought a few of the summer dresses which has been brought from Mintra, and then one dress from Westside and one dress from Lifestyle. So I'll be showing you all my summer dress haul, all my best summer haul dress collection in this particular video. So please stay tuned till the end of this video, guys, so that I can show you what all things I have purchased and what are my favorite summer dresses that I have got. So I'll be showing you one by one, and I would also be attaching the photos of that particular dress as well, for what price that was bought. So please stay tuned, guys. And if someone is new to my channel, guys, welcome to Sangyan Vlogs, and please subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification and you can get to know that I have just uploaded a new video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this collection is going to be for made for summers basically. So the kind of weather which we have in Delhi. So since I'm in Delhi, it's very much warm and humid at the moment. So everyone wants to wear breathable clothes in summer. So keeping those things in mind, I have bought this is going to be my collection for today. So I'll be attaching the photos from where I have just purchased, and if I have purchased any of the clothes from the store itself, in that case I would be attaching the price for that, like for what price that particular dress was bought. So without wasting any further time, guys, let me just quickly get into the haul. So the first collection which I'm just going to show you guys is going to be this black jumpsuit, which is going to be from Uptowny. So the brand name, this is something which has been bought from Myntra, and if I just tell you, this is going to be from a brand called Uptowny. If I just show you, the jumpsuit look like this. So it has straps attached with this, and I have bought this in the size medium. So this has got a strap attached to it, and if you want to wear this, you can even wear this jumpsuit without a strap as well. So you can just remove this and you can wear it, and I'll be attaching a video for this as well, just to show you how it looks once you have just wore this. So this was in the price 674 was the price, and this was something which was bought from Myntra. So this was the first jumpsuit. The maximum collection which I have got is going to be from the jumpsuit collection, guys, and one is going to be the one piece. The second it's going to be a cord set basically. However, once you just wear this, this isn't going to look like a jumpsuit itself. So the second one is going to be from the brand Sarfaraz, and this is again going to be from Myntra. And if I just show you, this is going to be the top for this particular jumpsuit, and you have a tie detail attached at the back if you see, and this has got a halter neck as well. So this is going to be the top, and this is going to be the palazzo kind of pant which we have got with this. So this is going to be a very breathable material, guys. And the good part in this jumpsuit is you have got pockets as well attached to this. And also one more thing which I just loved about this jumpsuit, this cord set, is going to be, we have a shorts which is being attached with this, so that it's not transparent from the back when you just go ahead and wear this jumpsuit cord set. I'm sorry, it just looks like a jumpsuit, so I'm again and again saying it's a jumpsuit. So if I talk about the price of this particular cord set, guys, this is going to be for the price 1319. When I just bought this, this was in a price 1174. Unfortunately, the price has increased. So I bought this during the sale, so it costed me just 1174, and the price is 1319 at the moment. So this was my second collection. Moving to the third collection, we have got this again a jumpsuit which is going to be from a brand Mumaya. This is going to be the brand which I've just bought it for the first time, guys. However, I like the material, if I talk about this particular jumpsuit, this is going to be a summery color which we have got. And if I talk about the detailing for this particular jumpsuit, this has got a tie detailing in the hands, so you will have to just tie it up on the from the shoulder end. So this is how it looks. And the good part about jumpsuits is that it just cinches your waist in the middle, so it just gives you a very good figure once it's just wore. If I talk about the disadvantage about this particular jumpsuit, you don't have pockets with this particular jumpsuit. However, once you just wear it, you are going to love this jumpsuit, guys. This is going to be one of my favorites. If I talk about the color and the breathable material which we have got, it is going to be one of my favorites. Moving to the next jumpsuit, this is again going to be a very pretty color. So this is a jumpsuit which I just bought an year back. Unfortunately, I was searching the photo for this particular jumpsuit and the price for this, but I don't remember. Again, it is going to be from the brand called Sarfaraz. And oh, I'm so sorry. It's from the brand Very Lush. And if you just go ahead and buy a few of the jumpsuit from this Very Lush, you have got beautiful one pieces and also maxi dresses from this particular brand, and also they are very much colorful. I have particularly just took many photos in this particular jumpsuit, which I would certainly attach so that you can even see how does it look. And the color is also a powder blue color, which is a very good color for summers as well. So this is if I remember the price of this particular jumpsuit, this costed me around 1100 to 1200. If I certainly get this particular order available in my Myntra, I would certainly attach the correct price for this particular jumpsuit. So this is again one of my favorite jumpsuit, guys. So since I mentioned in the beginning itself, this collection is going to have a lot of jumpsuits, and I just have one piece that was bought from website. So the next collection is going to be a frock style, which I bought from Lifestyle. So this is going to be from the brand Akriti. And if I talk about the price of this particular one piece, this costed me 14.99, and I have bought this in the price medium. And this is pretty loose, guys. So if you want, you can certainly just go ahead and use a belt which will cinch your waist as well. So it is going to look beautiful. Again, this is going to be a very much summery color, and very much breathable. It's all going to be of cotton material. So yeah, this was again one of my favorites. So this was bought from website, and the price was 14.99 in medium size. And if I talk about the last one, this is something which I just got from website. So this costed me around 14.99 again, and this was again bought in the size medium. If you want, you can certainly just go ahead and wear this above the top. You can just wear a top inside it, or else if you want, you can certainly just go ahead and wear it like this only. You do have a belt attached with this particular dress, so if you want, you can certainly just go ahead and attach a belt with this dress. Otherwise, you can just wear it as it is. So guys, that was all about my summer dress haul, which I just purchased from Myntra, website and Lifestyle. I hope you liked this video, and please comment down below if you which was the particular dress which you liked the most. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and please like and share my channel as well. And that was for today's video, and I'll be meeting you soon in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and your family. I love you. Bye bye.